A lot of us, including myself, are making a big mistake when you're getting started on YouTube and trying to monetize your small YouTube channel. And that's fixating on the number of subscribers that your channel has. I'm going to share with you the reasons why your subscriber count just doesn't really matter as much as you think it does, and what analytics you should actually be concentrating on instead. This is week 3 of my monetization journey, and of course that means I'm going to show you a full transparent background at what my small channel looks like, the growth we've had over the week, in the hopes of being able to monetize on YouTube. Hey, my name is Rochelle, and 3 years ago I quit my 9-to-5 engineering job in the pursuit of making money online. My husband, 3 kids and myself have recently moved back to Australia after being able to travel full-time for 2 years, and this would not have been possible if it wasn't for the online income I brought in from my businesses. YouTube is the next step for me, and I'm so excited to share every week exactly how I'm growing and give you tips and tricks to be able to monetize your YouTube accounts as well. Your YouTube subscriber count really doesn't matter as much as you think it does. YouTube does not care about how many subscribers you have. Brands that want to work with you won't care how many subscribers you have, and the subscribers you already have really don't care how many subscribers you actually have. You are the only one that does. And don't worry, I hear you over there. You're here to learn how to monetize YouTube. I'm trying to monetize YouTube, and everyone keeps saying that you need 1,000 subscribers to get there. So that's why you're concentrating on your subscriber count, because it matters. And yes, it does, but once you reach that 1,000 subscriber count to be monetized, the number of subscribers you actually have doesn't matter. What really matters is the number of views that you're getting, because you get paid per 1,000 views on your videos. Your video retention rate, or the length that people watch your videos, is also a lot more important than the number of subscribers that you actually have. Don't worry, later on I am going to show you the back end of my analytics so you can have a look at what it is like and give you a better idea of what you need to keep an eye out for. Your video views determine the earnings, not just your subscriber count. YouTube isn't going to push out your videos simply because you have a larger number of subscribers. They're going to promote your videos to people who find them interesting, because YouTube wants to keep people on the platform as long as possible, which means once someone watches a few of your videos on a certain topic, YouTube's algorithm is going to go, hey, Sam really wants to watch more videos on growing roses and gardening, so let's give Sam more of those videos. Your retention rate on your video is going to determine if YouTube is going to put more of your videos in front of Sam or send Sam someone else's videos. So the longer this person watches your videos for, the more likely that YouTube is going to show them more videos of yours, and your videos are going to start showing up on the browse page. So that's the main page where all of the YouTube videos are. And it's not going to matter whether those people are subscribed to your account or they're not. If they have shown an interest in your videos, or videos like yours, then your videos are going to more likely to show up. Last week, I did talk about 3 tips to help you grow your channel. And one of those tips was to create content that people are actually searching for and that people want to watch. I'll link that video below, and don't click away just yet, but definitely watch that one afterwards to give you a better idea of how to do this. It is so important to create videos on topics people are looking for, because if people are watching other videos of similar topics, then yours is going to show up if it meets the same criteria. And you might not be looking at growing and monetizing your own YouTube channel. You're just a little bit nosy like I am, and you want to see what other people's channels look like on the back end. So let's have a look at this week's analytics. The last 7 days, we got 1.3 thousand views. Watch time is 58.6, and we grew by 57 subscribers. All of my arrows are up, which means the channel has increased since last week, which is always a good sign, those little green arrows. But in the search of monetization on YouTube, we need to look at the last 365 days, because that's what YouTube bases its monetization off. So looking at the last 365 days, we have 4.9 thousand views, 228.7 watch hours, and a total of 702 subscribers. This puts me less than 300 people to reach that first level of YouTube monetization of 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so grateful to have all of you here and all those people that subscribed, and it's so exciting to see all of those little arrows starting to look up. If this is the first video that you've seen in this series, you definitely want to go back and check out the last 3 videos to see where the account started. But my account was a dormant account for almost 2 years. I only posted 6 videos, and then life got in the way and we stopped for a little while. So for the last few weeks, those arrows have been grey and pointing down. So it's really, really exciting that they are finally pointing up. If your goal is to be monetized, it's important to note that the views required for long form videos and shorts are very different. So you need 4,000 long form watch hours in 365 days or 10 million short form views in 90 days. That's why I haven't really been doing any short form lately. I'm solely concentrating on long form. I definitely will start doing some short form later on. If anyone has some tips and tricks on how to do that for YouTube, definitely let me know. I'd love any advice that you guys have got for me. If you are just looking at your subscriber count and concentrating on increasing those subscribers, it's definitely going to stop you focusing on what analytics you should actually be looking at. So there are two that you should be looking at: your click-through rate. So your click-through rate is crucial for getting more views on your videos. And remembering, the more views you get once you get monetized, the more money you actually make. So your click-through rate is the number of people who have clicked on your video after seeing them. So you want to be able to improve this, and to do that, you're going to work on your thumbnails and titles, as these are the first two things that people will see when they decide if they're going to watch your video or not. YouTube recently rolled out a feature where you can A/B test your thumbnails to see which one's going to perform better. I highly recommend doing this if you are just getting started or you're just wanting to see what kind of thumbnails are going to work best for you. You can do this quite easily when you're uploading your video, or you can actually add it later on once your video has been uploaded as well. So besides your click-through rate, the next thing you're going to want to concentrate on is audience retention. Audience retention is key for the YouTube algorithm. It's how long people actually watch your videos for. And this is how YouTube is going to judge whether you have value in your content and decide if it's going to push it out to more people or not. You can see your audience retention rate on the videos inside your YouTube studio. To find this, you're going to select the content on the left, click on the video you're wanting to check out, then you're going to click Analytics and scroll down to the bottom of your overview section. This graph is going to show you what percentage of people are watching your videos at certain points in time. All right, now you know where to find how long people are watching your videos for, but how do you actually get them to watch longer? You want to keep your viewers engaged, and this is going to be the fastest way that you can grow your channel, and that's by creating consistent, bingeable content. You want to create a video that ties in with others and encourages your viewers to watch more videos than just one. Not only is this going to increase your watch time, it's going to increase the likelihood of viewers returning to your channel because they want to see what's coming up next. And then the more they watch, the more likely YouTube is going to put your videos on the browse page for people who aren't subscribed to you as well. It can be so easy when you're trying to monetize on YouTube that you get caught up on your subscribers. But if you concentrate on your views and your retention rate, not only will you be more likely to make money, but your subscribers will naturally grow as well. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified of the next video, which will be on my first full month overview of the monetization journey, all the things I've learned I'm going to share with you. If you found this video helpful, let me know and give it a like, and I will see you next time.